If your new Oral-B IO Series 2 won't charge straight out of the box, don't panic, this is a fairly common issue. The IO Series 2 uses a magnetic charging dock, so proper alignment and clean contact points are essential. Charging problems are usually caused by protective film left on the contacts, minor firmware glitches, battery calibration errors, or poor magnetic alignment on the dock. Start by checking both the brush and charger for any clear protective plastic and remove it completely. Next, clean the metal charging contacts on both the base and the toothbrush using a cotton swab with at least 70% isopropyl alcohol. Once cleaned, place the toothbrush on the charger and leave it there for a full 24 hours without interrupting it, even if the LED doesn't respond normally. After the 4-hour charge, hold the power button for about 10 seconds to perform a reset. Then remove the brush for 30 seconds and place it back on the dock. If it still doesn't charge, try holding the power button while placing it on the charger for about 15 seconds to trigger recovery mode, then leave it charging for a few hours. Most units start working after these steps,